Chirp, chirp, chirp! Wow! Wow! Wow, look at that! A mechanical trace... Shh!
Roar!
It was running a... Beep, boop, chirp. We are coming for you. Hold on.
The hatchling's lost memories can shield it from the crown.
What was that? Warning! Structural failure imminent! Look out above! Look! The island! We found it! Kong, sideways, now! Lumi, light the way! The water channel! Follow me! Almost there, Lumi. Don't worry, we'll get you out! You can do it, Rexy! All right, token locked. Woohoo! This is amazing! Chirp! Ha ha ha! Kong! Oh! Urgent chirp! Roar!
Hold tight! Kong's got us!
Faster! 1, 2, 3. Perfect! Look! The courage plate! I found it! Row! Beep, boop. Yahoo!
Chirp, chirp!
You're safe now, little one. Rexy, your 3-note chirp, please.
Hold it, Kong! We're coming! Rexy roars. The bars are soft. A gold light! The crown is trapping it!
Keep climbing, the path is stable. Kong, catch the cable. Keep going. 3. All right, timing's tight. Almost got it. Rexy! Rexy! Faster! The gate is closing. Thanks, Rexy. Lumi, the echo plate. Target... Beep, bop, beep. The path is open, Lumi. Ready! Finally!
Heading to Grand...
Good! Now, get ready!
For the hatchling!
The crown commands.
Hurry! They're starting! Begin!
Status update, Lumi. The crown requires light, crystal energy, and Rexy's chirp simultaneously. We have to coordinate. The hatchling is safe, but there are 3 independent anchors. Tail, shoulder, crown. The courage plate is already under the crown. Each memory plate can shut one down. We got 3, Tony! The Titan's crown, tail, and shoulder anchors. The gold plate is trapped beneath the crown. See the symbols? Lumi, up there. The forge is resealing the crown. You have to disconnect the pulse drum.
Keep it going, Lumi! Take cover! Almost there! The fan's in the way!
I'm almost there! The gear is cooling. We need to push the switch and turn the valve. Together. I can't reach. Let me help. Thanks, Lumi. Here I go. Keep the beam steady. No matter what.
Over here, Tinhead! The slots are open. Now, for the courage plate.
Kong, hold steady. You can do it, Tony. The bond plate. It's working. Quick, Kong, up to your shoulder. The socket's right there.
Use the pendant, Tony!
Now, Lumi. Pushing it in. Got it. It's not moving. Look, they touched foreheads. Yes! Yes! Fight it!
Lumi.
Success! 1.
Activated. Focusing beam. Conduit open.
Look, it's alive! A chirp and a chime. Rexy, I think it likes you.
We saved the forge too! It's growing! Look, it's becoming the tree! The memory plates are detaching, they're orbiting it. We did it!
You are strong, hatchling. Courage is choosing who to...
Welcome, little one! Hooray!
Ready for the next adventure? Hold on tight!